Upgraded.
Upbraided hoses.
Upbraided.
Yeah, upbraided hoses. Upbraided hoses, they are. Good morning YouTube, welcome along. It's another MX5 weekly restorer update. It's the last week till Christmas now, and yeah, so things are a bit quieter. We'll be ramping the sort of work down a little bit this week so we can sort of tidy the workshop up, paint the floor. But I think as the same previous two videos, there's not much going on in the car park. So customer has Mark, his one, he's collecting his on Wednesday. I just need to re-look at the electric wing mirror issue on this one. Running issue on this, I put a new ECU in it, it's still doing it, so I'm going to try and I'm going to look at the coolant temp sensor. I know it shouldn't be flagging up an issue, but I've now gone over wiring, I've replaced everything, so I now need to start addressing things that could be causing a problem, and it's only doing it on warm-up, so I need to have a look at that. It's not flagging codes up for it, but there's something weird going on in the electrical system. Coil packs, cam angle sensors been changed, ECU, wiring's been checked, positives and grounds have gone over. So I'm not sure where to go on this one now, but I'm going to start changing things and see if it makes a difference. So that's that. This Mk1 came to us last week and it's very rusty. Very rusty. I'm not sure whether the lady is going to pursue this or not, but the actual rear brake pipe burst when it was on the ramp, so that's that. So in the background there you can see my friend Anthony.
Hi YouTube.
Right, let's go see what the guys are up to. Not a lot actually, because as I said, we purposely booked less, well, it's a bit hazy there, purposely booked less stuff on. So, Jim, could you just not spray for a sec? Where's Roy? He's gone this way. Ah, cheers Ash. You being helpful?
No. Why did I do that?
You just shut the compressor off.
It was annoying.
It was annoying you. I thought you were doing that for me.
Oh, no.
So on Roy's ramp, he's working on this blue Mk2 Sport. He's got his work cut out on this one. There's a lot to do on this. There's a lot to do on this one, Roy.
Is there? Oh,
oh look, there's chassis rails.
yeah.
Actually, Roy's braking this car. So we're going to try and get rid of some breakers, and Roy's going to dismantle, aren't you?
I am indeed.
What are you starting with? Whatever takes your fancy.
Yeah.
Whatever looks like it's going to be the least, or the easiest to get off.
We've got someone who's having all the front end suspension, so to take off the lower arms and the hubs, send them out. I've also got to cut the front end off from right here forward.
Okay.
This customer's got a car with this section rotted out.
Right.
So we'll this one's quite clean, so we'll cut the front end off, do chassis rail it and send it out.
That'd be fun to do, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
That's ideally when we need a plasma cutter.
Yeah, it'd be nice.
Be a bit easier, wouldn't it?
That would be nice, yeah.
Alright.
So, yeah,
Thanks.
not a lot
There's not a lot to talk about, really, is there? Cheers, Roy.
Alright.
What are you doing?
Playing with hoses.
Playing with hoses. Upbraided.
Upgraded?
Upbraided hoses.
Upbraided.
Yeah, upbraided hoses. Upbraided hoses, they are. It's an upgrade, but it's an upbraided hose. Right. So customers supplied his own brake pipes, and Ashlee's in the process of fitting them. Have you got one on yet?
Yep, that one's on.
Which on this one? Brake hoses. Upgraded hoses. Upgraded hoses.
How many times are you going to say that?
No, not really. So what else are you doing on this?
Just the handbrake and then that's it.
That's it. Nice easy one. That's going to push your capabilities for the rest of this week, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm going to be on it all week.
Oh yeah.
Finish just in time for Christmas, I think.
Okay, cheers Ash. Again, actually this belongs to another good customer of ours. You're all good customers, but we just I've been on a few runs with
Some are gooder.
some are gooder. No, I've been on a few runs with this guy. Been to France and stuff. It's turboed. I've got on my ramp. I'm just about to do a service on a Mk3 on a friend of mine's, Anthony's Mk3. So I'm going to be doing engine, oil change, filter, and check the brakes, a quick visual check, and that's it really. Nice easy job this morning. I've got another Mk3 I've got to do some work on. And Jim's in the process of making this black one, this nice black shiny underneath. Grey one, but black and shiny under. Yeah, that's what I meant. It's Monday. I've had a hard weekend. So once this is undersealed, not much more to do on it, is it? Has we sorted the dipstick leak out yet, or are we still going to pursue with that? Oh, cool.
Check that. Drives man. It's all good.
Yeah. So this is the one. This is the one where I had the these front subframe down and dropped, and the engine was hanging there and doing the oil leaks. Is supercharged. Put it all together, no oil leaks. We ran it up for a while, and then it had an oil leak coming out the dipstick, and that was due to basically it's contorted around the supercharger, and we think it wasn't just going down in the hole enough, and we changed a couple of O-rings, didn't we? And then
Tried lots of different O-rings in it, and as it happens, standard one worked best.
yeah, so Jim sorted that out on Friday. Wideband, is that in or is it sort of same as it was on Friday?
It's in working, but isn't positioned yet.
Oh, okay, all right. Well, maybe we'll come back to that on the video at the end of the week.
Basically, just finish painting this black, and then put it back together again.
Okay. All right. Well, then maybe what you'll probably do then is get the wideband in, and then you can play with it outside and just get it to run a little bit better.
Yeah, at the moment it's pig rich.
Yeah. All right. Cool. Cheers, Jim. All right. So we'll get another video done just before Christmas. As I say, there's not really much going on because we try and the week before do a little bit quieter so we can get the workshop tidied up. Because over a year it sort of things get put in places where they maybe shouldn't be, and then just have a general tidy up to make it nice and tidy. So I'll see you in a couple of days on the next one. Take care, and if you're watching this over Christmas, have a good one. All right, bye bye.